It's gonna be some fucking rain and lightning and shit like that.
Scotty, let me have that other guitar.
So, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna play one more song. Then we're gonna make sure everybody's cool. We're gonna make sure everybody's cool. Oh shit. See, it's coming. Hey Goose. What do you think? Should we get one more? One more? Alright, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do one more. That's it. We're gonna do one more. We're gonna wait this fucking shit out. If we can come back, you fucking know we will, right? You know we will if we can. You know that, right? So let's do this shit before it gets weird. Ready? If I could do something about it, I would. Just fucking hold tight, or no, you guys go get safe. Everybody go get safe. If we can come back and play, we will. But listen, you know we fucking love you. We know we'll be back for you motherfuckers, right? Go get safe. We'll see you in a minute, all right? Go get safe. We'll see you soon.